So today I want to show you what I do whenever I get stuck in a painting and I find that one part of the painting tends to still look not realistic no matter how many times I'm going over and over and over and over it. Sometimes that can happen with the eyes and with the nose, but I'm going to focus on the nose today. So one recommendation I have for you that works well is to stop working on your painting and get to your picture. And as I said before, it's always good while you're painting to zoom in and to see the details, but it's also very helpful to just take your sketchbook and draw. And I'm gonna put this up here just so you can see while I'm doing this. And one thing that you can do is change the picture so that it's only black and white. So I'm gonna change this. I gotta take this off. There it is. Okay. All right. So we have it black and white. And then what I'm gonna do, if I'm having the issue with the nose, is I'm gonna move it over here, and I'm just gonna stop and just look at it, and then maybe do like extra zoom in more, just cause it might be like frustrating to me. I'm gonna just do the whole nose pretty much. Alright, so I'm gonna pull my sketchbook over. I didn't see it because I had this up there. My mistake. Alright, so I'm gonna start with a general direction in the nose. Alright, so when I'm working on this, I'm gonna notice that this line that I thought existed actually has a curve right here. Like it gets darker down and it blends out this way, but it also gets lighter over here. So I'm gonna do this and this, and then I'm gonna do like a blurriness here. Now if this was flat on the table, I'll be able to make smoother and lighter transitions from light to dark. Now this drawing does not have to be perfect. It really does not. This is just for your understanding, and while you're drawing you'll be able to see what maybe you missed in your painting, and you can take notes like this curve right here. What I can do is point an arrow and write curve as a note to my head when I'm painting. When I go back to my painting to make sure, hey, you saw this while you were drawing, make sure you include that in your painting. So there's this, and his skin texture kind of curves this way, and there's dots on his nose for his pores. Like this. Alright, so I just want to look at the value. Alright, so this light that runs down his nose here is lightest right here. So, and then there's the same thing, the nose here, the shadow, you may think it goes out this way because you know that's the direction of your nose, but the shadow actually comes in on the angle towards the middle of your nose. So here, so that says different angle. Okay, so normally when I'm drawing, what I'll notice too is I'll forget that there's like a little bit of a shadow and a bend under the nose. So all the way across here is going to be more of a shadow. So I can note that in my sketchbook, so I don't forget when I go back to painting to put that in. And then right here, the shadow isn't necessarily equal all the way across. There's like a triangle, just a bit, not so much so on the side. So I can put a star just to look at. Okay, so that's really good right here. Like I said, it does not have to be as realistic as the actual nose that I'm making in my painting. It's just to help me understand what I may have missed, to help me examine this nose so that the values that are here more so are magnified here so I can see it when I'm developing my painting over there. So I hope that helps you, and please let me know how it works for you. Thanks so much for watching.